4 years, we've been on his trail. Fortunately for us, as consistent as we have been, quite very professional, we found him. He's in our custody. Numerous offenses against this kingpin called Aliyu Casey. Criminal conspiracy, armed robbery, and causing hurt consistently on residents of Sokoto, running a period of 4 years. Criminal conspiracy and causing grievous hurt reported by one Mutala Abubakar and 2 others of Dafili area, Sokoto, on 21/05/2017. It means that basically, no matter how you run, Nigerian police will be diligent, will be thorough, we will find you. And that's what the Commissioner of Police and his management team have done in Sokoto. Consistently, apart from armed robbery, Aliyu Casey has had young boys in Sokoto that he has recruited to become members of Aliyu Bello Yaro in Sokoto. They're here, they're in custody, quite very numerous young men who are meant to be doing other jobs in Sokoto, but what they involve themselves in is armed robbery and numerous offenses. Criminal conspiracy unacceptable in Sokoto. And that's why the Commissioner of Police, CP Mutala Usman Mani, PSCMNI, he's come to get a job done in Sokoto, and that job will be done no matter whose odds it's got. Thuggery will not be acceptable anymore in Sokoto. Area boyism will not be tolerated in any form in Sokoto. And so we're using this medium to speak to people, to speak to families. Please hold your words and speak to them. That if we find you anywhere, we're doing a consistent, massive clampdown. Massive clampdown. The Commissioner of Police is doing this. He's leading this team himself to make sure that he brings perpetrators of all kinds of crime, especially heinous crimes in Sokoto, to book. And so, if you intend, if you perpetrate, if you are a conspirator, if you are an agent provocateur and you come back into Sokoto to commit crime, no matter how far or fast you think you go, the Nigerian police will be faster than you. Because we have the manpower, we have the wherewithal to get the job done, and we will get that job done to make sure that Sokoto is kept safe. And of course, to make sure that people who come back into Sokoto go about lawful, normal businesses. People who are trading in suspected substances called Indian hemp, they're here with us in custody. They've been doing this for a very long time. The nooks and crannies of Sokoto will be kept safe. It's our duty to make sure that people come back here and do lawful, normal businesses. This is the caliphate. It must be kept safe. And that's what the Commissioner and his management team have come to Sokoto to do. Will be effective. It's called the 3S. Speak, silence, but of course we'll deliver service to people who live in Sokoto. He's here. His name is Musa Aliyu. He's our suspect. He's in custody. He trades or has been trading consistently in substances suspected, of course, to be Indian hemp. He's here with us in custody, large volumes. Another one is called Joseph David. He's a drug dealer, suspected drug dealer who's been doing that consistently for a very long time. But of course, fortunately, we've charged him to court. He's been summarily tried, convicted, and sentenced to 7 months in prison. So he's in custody.